When looking at Tangerine Bank and their current promotional savings rates, the details depend on whether you are opening a standard non-registered account or a registered account as a new client. For new clients who sign up, Tangerine offers a promotional interest rate of 4.5% for the first 5 months on a standard non-registered savings account. If you are utilizing registered accounts like an RSP, TFSA, or RIF savings account, the new client promotional rate is boosted to 5% for the same 5-month duration. These promotional rates apply to new deposits up to a maximum of $1 million per applicable account type. Once that 5-month promotional window closes, the interest rate reverts to Tangerine's regular base savings rate, which sits at 0.3%. There are no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements to maintain either account, making it straightforward to set up automatic savings plans or manage your money directly through their mobile app. Existing clients also occasionally receive targeted, personalized promotional interest rate offers on new deposits, though these rates and timelines vary individually compared to the standard new client welcome offer. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.